Hi all. So today I've come with a mini album. This one is a custom mini album made for the 10th birthday of a little girl. So it is made using custom requirements as per her mother's wishes, the different elements that she wanted. It is not a very big album and made using the floral symphony paper from Dress My Craft. So this is the front page. This is a die cut in which the birthday girl's photo will come in, maybe a happy birthday message. This is the spine, beautiful message, be your own kind of beautiful, and the back page. It has 4 signatures. So this is the front inner cover. I have given a small pocket which goes all the way up. A big picture can come here and some tags for her to write wishes. This is a mosaic type page where 9 pictures of the birthday girl will come in. I have not yet put in the magnets. You can see still magnets because she will be putting the photograph here. When you open it, one full picture of the birthday girl will be seen, the surprise element. Every page has an insert which I have kept pretty plain with a border punch. This is a floating card of sorts. You can put a big picture here and this opens up like so, and you can keep it anywhere on your table or desk just to see your wishes. The pictures can come here and messages. This is a fun element. This is an envelope or a booklet of sorts in which you can put pictures anyhow because this rotates, and you can put portrait or landscape pictures and it just locks here. Everything is magnetized. Another insert. This is a pop-up box. It will come up this way. A big picture can come here, smaller pictures here. So this will look like this. I hope you can see it. And further I will be putting some slots here wherein you can even have pictures which hang out because of acetate strips. This is twist and pop card. You can put 4 pictures here and maybe some messages. The paper itself is so good that it hardly requires any embellishments. Another insert. This is a flap and a hidden pocket here, and it is accordion fold as well, so you can have lots of pictures here and more tags for journaling and putting pictures. Accordion heart fold type card where you open it, you can have pictures here, even here, and this is an accordion fold card, so many pictures can come here, or you can journal depending on the print on the paper. 4th insert. This is fun. You have to, this is right now locked, it cannot open, but you can open it this way. Once you open all flaps, this card opens up so, and again it will open this way. So this is another fun element and surprise. You can have a big picture here and it goes right back to its place. Then this, I have used a ribbon, sheer ribbon, organza tag for journaling. This opens up this way. It's a booklet with a waterfall, and this whole booklet goes up, so you can have a small picture here as well as here, and I have used velcro just to keep it in its place. I hope you've liked this album. I sure enjoyed making this album, and it's one of my best creations so far because it has been totally customized. Each and every element has been customized, and I hope the birthday girl also likes it. Give me your love and comments. Thank you.